homecomputerhelp.com. Today, just a real quick video. If you are experiencing drop calls in your home or even dead spots in your home, that can easily be fixed with something called Wi-Fi calling, which is why you're seeing my Android cell phone screen. So what we're going to do is I'm going to swipe down in this case, or let's attempt to swipe down. There we go. And you see the little gear in the upper right hand corner. That's different looking gear sometimes, but it's all basically a gear. So I'm going to tap on that. And this is actually already set up here. But then I'm going to go to connections. And I've already got this enabled, as you can see. So I'm going to tap on Wi-Fi calling now. Actually, you can see that it's turned on, but I'm going to tap on this. So, because it's not just a matter of swiping that bar. You have to make sure that you have Wi-Fi preferred tapped on here. I believe on iPhone it says Wi-Fi assisted, but either way you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi has preference. After I did this, I tested this. I called my mom, I called a teacher friend, and then a computer client called right after that. I was able to understand them perfectly. They could understand me. There was no static in the in the voice or anything like that. So that's all there is to it. Go ahead and replay this again if you want to, because I'm trying to keep my videos nice and short for you. And so you can now enjoy your phone a little bit better, hopefully. And God bless you. Enjoy your phone.